Hey, this is Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I am sharing a setup video for June. And I don't know what it is about like the onslaught of summer or just like summer in general, but it makes me want to be in all of the Traveler's Notebooks. So I'm only in 2 daily, so this is my Daisy Weeks. Or my Hobonichi week size, which I will do another video about. But this is my kind of everyday planner. It is in the pocket size. This cover is from the Cocoa Daisy bonus coffee kit, and I do think there are still a few available. I love when Cocoa Daisy does these little covers. They're meant to be notepad holders, so they hold, like, this is the notepad that it's meant to hold, but I just rig it up to be a Traveler's Notebook cover, and I have a reel on my Instagram showing how to do this. So I will link that in this video. I have a couple inserts in here, and most of the planner is set up using the Cocoa Daisy Wander collection for June. So yeah, let's get into it. Also, I mean, just like how cute. It's itty bitty, but she chunky, and I love it. My husband loves to talk about how like chunky my planners are. All right, so on the cover, I did put one of the clear stickers from the memory keeping sticker kit. I trimmed down the planner add-on kit stickers because this is the planner I will most likely use them in. So they are tucked into this back pocket. Here I have a wallet or like a card holder. The card holder is from Amazon. And then I also have a craft pocket. These two came together and they're both from Amazon. And I just used some scrap paper to kind of cover the pockets so that, my cards and things aren't, showing. This is super fun. Let me pull the stamps because the stamps for this collection are amazing. I mean, they're always amazing, but they're like particularly amazing this month. All right, so this is the stamp set that came with the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit. This is the stamp set that came with the modern memory keeping kit, and oh my gosh, this is like the alpha of my dreams. I love it. I love it so much. And then this came with the bonus travel kit, and I will link all these below. I do believe this kit is actually still available, so I will link it below. So I used a mix of those stamps to make a like collaged cover, and then a couple stickers as well. And oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I love this idea. I feel like I see this with passport Midoris and standard Midoris of people just sort of collaging the covers, and it's so great. I also should talk a little bit about this insert because I made it. So I'm pulling it out. All right, this insert is made with classic size grid paper from Cocoa Daisy, which I folded and trimmed down. The cover from the Simple Dory, which I trimmed down. And it is all loose at this point. Once I'm done with the insert, I will stitch it. But I like having it loose for right now because, if I want to stamp or anything, I could just pull the page out and stamp. So that's how I made this insert. Again, classic grid paper, which this paper is Cocoa Daisy paper is the best. I know I sound biased, but it is the best, and this paper is no exception. Worth it. So this insert I made a little pocket with just packaging, and inside the pocket I just did a little like decorative with the washi and some of the washi stickers, and then just some stamping. Just fun to have. Again, you're going to see this a lot of this sort of like collage-y look. But so this insert is a daily insert. It is a day on 2 pages. I'm going to put it back in the string so that it holds together a little better. So I've already started this insert, and I think I mentioned I was going to show where this idea came from. I have been using, and I'll do a full flip through of this later, I have been using this Printpression B6 day on 1 page, and I've loved it, and I'm pretty much done with this one. So it's a 3-month insert, and I filled it up. But what I have found is that I really like the idea of a day on 2 pages, so that I can do some crafty play on this side or take notes or whatever, and then have my to-do list on this side. And so that's what I've been doing. This is a lot of stuff from my stash, like things from Kelly Bangs and the Reset Girl, and just sort of like stash items. And so this insert is pretty basic for right now. I did use the stickers from the classic sticker kit to set up like today to do. So this is my like hourly section, well, like events, I guess, and then to-dos. And it's been great. This has been like exactly what I need to like keep track of what I want to get done. And then I don't even know how many pages are in here, but once I'm done with the insert, I will just make a new one, which is really lovely. Here's the back of the insert. So great. Also, I can just keep the cover and just take out the pages. So love it. Card from the Wander collection. I think this is from the planner add-on kit, maybe. Nope, pocket kit. Another pocket card. And then this insert is super fun. I did not need all of the pages that were in my Weeks Dory in the week size. And so I pulled a couple of the pages out and trimmed them down to passport size so that I can make a teeny tiny little memory keeping notebook for the month of June. I will still memory plan, but I love the idea of just like, a couple of little memories in a little notebook. Or I could journal in here or whatever. I just like the idea of having the Wander collection illustration. Because I didn't receive a passport Dory, I wanted to sort of create my own. And so to make the cover, I used paper from the Traveler's Notebook kit, stickers from the memory keeping kit, and some washi tape. And yeah, this will be fun to just fill up with, just little mini adventures from the summer, or at least from June. There's only like 10 pages in there. This cover, this folder again is from Amazon, and I just added a couple of little decorative things from the Wander collection. And this insert I covered with paper from the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit, and used one of the pocket cards from the memory keeping kit, modern memory keeping kit, added one of the printables, which, y'all, if you are not using the Cocoa Daisy printables, planner printables as a subscriber because they're free for you, you're missing out. You need to, especially for this collection, there's so many extra little goodies in there. So this insert is actually a pocket size insert from Yellow Paper House, and I just trimmed it down to be passport size, and this is going to be my weekly. And so I have already set it up. I've already started using it, and I liked the idea of having a bottom section for to-dos and just a smaller section up top for like actual events. And I'm super excited to use this for the month. It's so darn cute. It's so little. It's teeny tiny, but I love it. I'm super excited. And I think I have maybe 8 weeks, 6 weeks in here, so perfect. Back of the folder, notepad, which I have used. Man, I've used this notepad a lot. And yeah, that's my setup. These clips, let's see. There was a clip that came with the planner add-on kit this month, and it had little dangles on it. One of the dangles is living on a different notebook, and the other, this came from a former planner add-on kit that had dangles on it that I just removed. I really like having these big clips in with this notebook. It is really helpful, especially because, as you can see, nothing lays flat. So to be able to sort of like flatten things when I need to flatten things is really helpful. And also so that I don't write on the wrong page. I tend to do that. And so having things like having no option but this page is very helpful. So yes, that is my little passport setup for June. I am super excited to continue using it. It is just so cute and darling. And yeah, I will do another video of how I'm using my week story. And so stay tuned for that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.